Class 8 first chapter matter. About this matter we discussed in earlier classes also. In this chapter we will discuss deeply. Any material that occupies space and has mass is called a matter. We can various kinds of objects around us, for example table, books, TV, refrigerator, pen, pencil, bottle, chalks, etc. They differ from each other in shape and size, also in color, etc. Each of these objects is made up of some kind of substance called a matter. And iron, wood, plastic, cloth, water also are the some examples of matter. Elements and molecules. What are the elements and molecules? The smallest form of a pure substance which cannot be divided further into any other simpler substance by any physical or chemical method is known as a element. From the beginning of our civilization, man was always curious to know the reasons for the existence of a large variety of matter and materials. Several attempts have been made to understand this variety. In the light of modern research, all forms of matter are made up of elements. So, the matter can be made up of the same kind of element or two or more kinds of elements combined together. There are 118 elements that exist in nature. For example, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, helium, copper, etc. are some elements. If the matter is made up of only one kind of element, then the smallest unit of that element is called an atom. And an atom is defined as the smallest unit of an element which may or may not have an independent existence but always takes part in a chemical reaction. An atom is defined as the smallest unit of an element which may or may not have an independent existence but always takes part in a chemical reaction. If a matter made up of two or more elements or more than two elements are called a compound, then the smallest unit of that matter is called a molecule. A molecule is defined as the smallest unit of matter which has an independent existence and possesses all the physical and chemical properties of a matter. A molecule consists of two or more than two elements. The elements can be of the same element or different elements. For example, a water molecule formed two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen, H2O. Even two or more atoms of the same kind can combine to form a molecule. For example, two atoms of oxygen combine to form an oxygen molecule. That is, it is a diatomic in nature. That is, it is a diatomic in nature. Here di means two. Kinetic theory of matter. This theory was about 200 years old. According to this theory, every matter is made up of very small particles called molecules. Every matter is made up of very small particles called molecules. Molecules of a given substance are alike in all respects. Molecules of a given substance are alike in all respects. Molecules of different substance have different shapes, size, compositions, properties, etc. Molecules of different substances have different shapes, size, compositions, properties, etc. Molecules of a given substances are constantly in motion, and the motion of a molecule is different in different states of matter. There are three states of matter. So, in that, the motion of a molecule is different in different states of matter. Molecules of a given substance have space between them is called a intermolecular space. Molecules of a given substance have a space between them called a intermolecular space. All the molecules attracts each other with a force called a intermolecular force of attraction that depends on, see, all the molecules attract each other with a force called a intermolecular force of attraction, and that is depends upon the intermolecular space between two molecules and nature of a molecules. Intermolecular space between two molecules, the intermolecular force of attraction increases if the intermolecular space between the molecules decreases. intermolecular space decreases, then force increases. If the space is increases, then force is decreases, vice versa. Nature of molecules. The force of attraction between two molecules similar in nature is called a cohesive force or force of cohesion. The force of attraction between two molecules similar in nature is called a cohesive force or force of cohesion. The force of attraction between two molecules of different nature is called a force of adhesion. The forces of cohesion and adhesion depend on the nature of the molecules. The kinetic energy of molecule increases with increase in temperature and decreases with decrease in temperature. Depends upon a temperature. The average kinetic energy of all molecules is directly proportional to the absolute temperature. 1 by 2 mv square directly proportional to T. Kinetic energy is 1 by 2 mv square directly proportional to T, where m is the mass of the molecule, v is the speed, v is its velocity, and T is absolute temperature. M is the mass of the molecule, v is its velocity, and T is the absolute temperature. Some arrangements of molecules in three states of matter. Do you know the states of matter? Gas, liquid, and a solid. So arrangement of molecules in three states of matter is matter can exist in any of the three states, solid, liquid, and gas. The existence and the properties of the three states of matter can be explained on the basis of kinetic theory of matter. See in this diagram arrangement of molecule in solid, liquid, and gas. See first one is it is there in the state of solid. Second, liquid. Third one is in state of a gas. These are the molecules, like round shape. These are the molecules. See in solid state, they all are combined. There is intermolecular space is less, and in liquid the intermolecular space is more compared to solid, and in gas intermolecular space is more compared to solid and liquid. So solid. In a solid, the molecules are closely packed. The intermolecular space between the molecules is very less. Therefore, the force of attraction between two molecules is very strong, and this is the reason why free movement of molecules is not possible. And this is why a solid has a rigid shape. Liquid. In a liquid, molecules are loosely held. The space between the molecules is quite large compared to the molecules of a solid. The force of attraction between the molecules of a liquid is weak, and this makes the movement of the molecules possible. Therefore, liquids are not rigid and have no shape of their own. They take the shape of the container in which they are poured. For example, experiment to show the presence of intermolecular space in a liquid. So you should take a glass and water and a sugar. See, take a glass, fill it with water up to the brim as shown in the figure. Up to here, water. Add powdered sugar very carefully in the glass, into this glass. What do you see? Did water flow out of the glass? No, the water will not flow out of the glass. Can you say why? This is because there are gaps in between the water molecules and the sugar molecules. Enter these spaces so that water will not go out of the glass. See how many teaspoons of sugar can be added to the glass till water overflows from the glass. Up to that, in that water some space is there, that is the intermolecular space. Gas. In a gas, the molecules are very far apart. Here. So the force of attraction between the molecules is the least among these three states of matter, and the molecules have maximum freedom of movement. Hence, a gas neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. Gases and liquids are called fluids because of their ability to flow. Gases and liquids are called fluids because of their ability to flow. Next, see in this table general properties of solid, liquids and gases. Solid, liquid and gases. Take in a column. First point, in solid are rigid, liquids are not rigid, gases are not rigid. Solids have a definite shape and volume. Liquids have a definite volume but not definite shape. Gases neither have definite shape nor definite volume. Solids cannot flow. Liquids can flow from a higher to a lower level. Higher to lower level. Gases can flow in all directions. Solids cannot be compressed. Liquids can be compressed to some extent. Gases can be easily compressed. Solids intermolecular attraction is maximum. Liquids intermolecular attraction is less than that of the solids. Gases intermolecular attraction is the least. Solids can be stored without a vessel. Liquids can be stored without a vessel. Gases can be stored in a closed vessels only. Next concept is relationship of the movement of particles in the three states of matter with energy in them. First, solids. The molecules in a solids are tightly packed. Yes, the molecules in a solids are tightly packed. The intermolecular force of attraction is maximum and intermolecular space is least when compressed to liquids or gases. So these molecules in a solids are not free to move about freely. They only vibrate about their mean position. These vibrations increases with the rise in temperature of the solid and decreases with the fall in temperature. Let us now understand the movement of solid particles when the heat energy rises. When